In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or unlink GCash from Playstore. If you've linked GCash to your Google Play account and want to take it off, I'll guide you through it so you can manage your payments with confidence. We'll do everything from inside the Play Store and then finish on Google's payment settings page, which opens in your browser. Follow along and you'll be done in just a minute. Start by opening the Google Play Store app on your phone. On the top right, tap your profile icon. This brings up your account menu and is where Google keeps all your settings for apps, purchases, and subscriptions. From that menu, choose Payments and Subscriptions. This is the hub for anything related to how you pay on Google Play. Next, tap Payment Methods. Here, you'll see the options available to add, like cards or mobile wallets, along with a shortcut to manage what's already linked. To manage or remove an existing method such as GCash, tap More Payment Settings. This will open the Google Payments Center in your browser. If you're prompted to continue, make sure you're on the same Google account you use in the Play Store so you're looking at the right payment profile. On the Payment Center page, find your linked GCash entry. Tap it to open the details, then select Remove. Confirm the removal if asked. Once you do this, GCash will be unlinked from your Google Play account and it won't be used for future purchases. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see GCash listed, it may not be linked on this account, or it might be hidden under another profile. Tap your profile picture in the top right to verify you're on the correct account. If the Remove button isn't available, check if there are pending charges. You may need to wait for them to settle before you can unlink. Also, removing a payment method doesn't cancel any active subscriptions. If you have subscriptions paid through GCash, go back to Payments and Subscriptions in the Play Store afterward to update those to a different payment method to avoid interruptions. And that's it. You opened the Play Store, went into your profile, selected Payments and Subscriptions, opened Payment Methods, tapped More Payment Settings, and then removed GCash from the Google Payments Center. Simple, clear, and secure. If you found this helpful, follow the same flow anytime you need to review or change your payment options on Google Play.